ya kunywa nanunua?
Ya kunywa mostly tunanunua.
Okay.
Yeah, because unajua hiyo maji ya chumvi kuna nini inafanya meno yao inakuwa brown.
Oh, yeah.
So it's not good for consumption.
Okay. Single room, bed sitter, hadi wiko ma 3 bedrooms in a range from which amount to which amount?
Mabati, room moja mabati goes for like 2 to 3K. Then block one room goes for like 4,000. Bed sitters range from 6 to 10,000. Okay, my stage mates tuna cooperate vizuri. Even recently tukona kachama where we purchased a land.
Oh,
yeah.
Wow.
The other day we just subdivided that land among the members.
Shifting news. Explore, feel,
and
shift.
You live around
Yeah, I live around
within Athi River.
I live within Athi River.
Oh.
Yes.
So what are some of the challenges in Athi River?
Dust.
For those who would wish to, maybe unajua sometimes people would wish to relocate to these sites.
Actually the main challenge is dust.
Mostly he's based your stage inaitwaje?
Vanilla stage.
Oh, Vanilla.
Scotland.
Oh.
Vanilla Scotland.
Okay. Hello good people and welcome back to Shifting News, always a great channel with amazing views and wonderful videos. We are here in this island and this is Nairobi Namanga Road. This one will take you to Kitengela. This one you are coming off the Mombasa Road and we want to join this road. We'll be describing it in the video most likely, so keep posted for our returning supporters. Thank you for the continued support, and to all those who are joining us for the first time, remember to join this amazing family. Subscribe, hit the notification bell to receive all notifications once we upload a new video. So we have had a number of our supporters who told us kindly come and check through Athi River. So today we decided, why not? Though we have a whole checklist that we always have to go through, and today it's our lucky day. So our followers, our supporters from Athi River, we have just turned off the Nairobi Namanga Road, the one that heads to Kitengela. You know, I've never crossed through Athi River, so by good luck we found a motorbike operator who said today let me take you through Athi River. So hii ndo main road yenye na cut through nini Athi River, no?
Hii ndio main road yenye na cut through Athi River.
Oh,
yes.
Na nini yenye iko so attractive huko Athi River?
There's nothing attractive. I've never seen anything attractive in Athi River. Actually, companies are too many companies here, so yeah.
And residential? Ziko ama sana sana tuseme it's just companies?
Yeah, residential ziko?
Yes.
Actually, initially Athi River wasn't supposed to be a residential area.
Oh.
Yeah. It was meant to be a company area.
Oh.
But now people walikuja waka-invade.
Yeah.
And wakaanza kujenga baka residential, because you see also some people living between two companies.
Yeah.
And it's very unhealthy for them.
Yeah, true.
Yeah. But they don't have otherwise.
Coexist.
Yeah, they coexist.
Oh. Na hiyo njia ingine inaenda wapi?
This one? Inaenda to around here to that place that we are going to.
Oh,
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now are there slums?
Yeah, there are slums inside here. Yeah, there is a slum called Bondeni.
Ah,
yeah.
Okay. And then there are also those estates for the rich.
Yeah, there is. See, like this one is Mineral Enterprise Limited.
Oh.
Company. Ile vumbi inatoanga hapa.
Yeah. Not nini safe for
Not safe.
human beings.
Yeah.
Ah.
Here we have got rhino cement.
Oh.
Yeah.
So do they import their materials?
Yeah, they import the materials.
Ah. Oh, so hizi zinangoja kusafirisha.
Hizi zinangoja kumwaga gypsum.
Oh.
Hii imeleta gypsum.
Okay.
So inamwaga kwa
Oh,
hii.
so the raw material.
The raw material actually.
Oh.
So this one is, it used to be called Athi River mining.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
You see now there is people are living in between here.
Yeah.
And this one is mining, and this one is for steel.
Oh.
So you can just imagine at night when they are removing that.
Oh, mostly they release nini
At
hizo
night.
hiyo nini at night.
Yeah.
Oh.
Because now Neema ikiwa mchana Neema wataona.
Oh, italeta
it will cause them. Yeah.
Oh.
But if you come here at night,
Yeah.
this place is so
Oh,
dusty.
okay. So people living near here, it's just problematic.
problematic.
Ah. Say this one is for steel.
Yeah, Apex.
Ah.
Yeah, this one is called. It is called Apex.
Okay.
Yeah.
And for someone who would wish to tour Athi River, are you all willing to maybe share your number? Maybe akifika stage.
No problem with that. I can share my number.
Okay.
Yeah. Let me top up.
So just fuel first. So guys, we just fueled here at Oryx within this Athi River. And remember, if you are visiting us for the first time, this is Shifting News here in Athi River.
But they don't have otherwise.
Coexist.
Yeah, they coexist.
Oh, na hiyo njia ingine inaenda wapi?
This one.
Yeah.
Inaenda to around here to that place that we are going to.
Oh,
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Na nimeona hiyo njia yenye inaenda hivyo straight inakaa poa sana.
Yeah, that one is going to Kenya Meat Commission.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Ama you can go with it and then you come back like this.
It's okay if you don't mind. Oh, and we have the railway crossing here. Hii ni ile ya MGR.
Hii is SGR.
Nasema kuna MGR, kuna hii meter gauge.
Oh, meter gauge there.
Yeah.
Meter gauge. That one is meter gauge. The station is just there.
Oh, na naona zile naitwangaje zile mastil. Hiyo karol moja unapatanga nini trailer imebeba mbili. Mtu anashangaa aje. Nasikia hiyo kitu ni mzito.
Ni mzito sana.
So we are within Athi River. Yeah, and you are supposed to share your number maybe and one of your name. Maybe if someone decides to visit Athi River na maybe amewatch hii video na angetaka kukupata.
Okay.
Yes.
So my names are Moses Omondi. Actually I'm the chairman of that stage penye tumetoka.
Really?
Yeah, I'm the chairperson of that stage.
Interesting. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, my numbers are 0721 365 701.
So guys, the preceding zero is always +254. Maybe you may just repeat.
Okay, +254
Yes.
721 365 701.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, interesting to know that you are the chairman for that stage.
Yeah.
How do you find work?
Kazi iko tu poa.
Okay.
I've not seen anything bad with that.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay, my stage mates tuna cooperate vizuri.
Yeah.
Even recently tuko na kachama where we purchased a land.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow.
The other day we just subdivided that land
among the members.
Among the members.
Ah. And you live around
Yeah, I live around.
Within Athi River?
I live within Athi River.
Oh.
Yes.
So what are some of the challenges in Athi River?
Dust.
For those who would wish to, maybe, unajua, sometimes people would wish to relocate to these sites.
Actually, the main challenge is the dust. Yeah, because of these companies is within Athi River. So,
okay.
Dust, alafu na bad weather, drainage haziko mzuri.
Oh. Now, what about rental rates?
Rental rates?
Yes, maybe from single room, bed sitter, hadi wiko ma 3 bedrooms in a range from which amount to which amount?
Mabati, one room moja mabati, goes for like 2 to 3K. Then block, one room goes for like 4,000. Bed sitters range from 6 to 10,000. Okay. One bedroom 11,000, 12,000. Two bedroom 15,000.
Yes.
3 bedroom I've never sijaienda kuulizia, but I guess iko around that 18,000.
Oh.
Yeah, but hiyo
ni kwa apartment.
Hiyo ni kwa apartment.
Si zile nini naitwaje? Hizi poshi estates.
Sio kwa hizo poshi estates. Hizo ni kwa
okay.
Yes.
So hii area yenye tuko,
yeah,
still ni Athi River ama iko na jina yake?
Bado ni Athi River, but inajulikana kama KMC. In short, Kenya Meat Commission. Yeah.
Oh.
Yes, it's still within Athi River.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, in terms of water supply,
water maji iko. Yeah.
Lakini ya chumvi.
But ya chumvi.
Because sometimes I meet, there is a friend mwenye anaishi Kitengela.
Ndio.
Wana niambia ni kuzuri, issue tu ni hiyo vumbi. Na tena sasa maji ya chumvi, but yeye ya kunywa ananunua.
Ya kunywa mostly tunanunua.
Okay.
Yeah, because unajua hiyo maji ya chumvi iko na nini, inafanya meno yao inakuwa brown.
Oh, yeah.
So it's not good for consumption.
Okay. Yeah. Na naona uko mbali, sijui ni kale kama ni nini.
Gani?
Ni lake. Na huko kakitu kanaonekana ni ni mabati.
Ni mabati.
Oh, ina reflect inakaa ni kama
ndio SGR yetu ya Athi River SGR kama inasipo hapo hivyo.
Oh. Yeah. Okay.
Now this one is the Kenya Meat Commission.
Oh. Kumbe wanaleta sasa nyama.
Huko ndio kichinjio kubwa ya nini.
Okay.
Yeah.
Kenya Meat Commission. Kwa hivyo tuseme tu zinakuanga branches, kwa sababu kuna ingine yenye iko pale ukikaribia nini country bus hapo na siko
Kenya Meat
KMC. I think kuna ma branches kadhaa.
Maybe huko wanapeleka, but hii ndio big. Na hii na kuna ile ya Mombasa. But sasa ni kama hiyo ni kichinjio, maybe tu ni branch kwenye wakishachinja ng'ombe.
Yeah.
Kama ka depot tu.
Yeah. Sasa hapa ndio SGR inapita.
Hapa ndio SGR inapita.
Still bado na hii tena ingine. Na hii MGR.
MGR pia inapitia hapa.
Hiyo nje yenye tuna nini, hiyo inaenda straight to Mombasa Road.
Yeah, that one inaenda straight to Mombasa Road.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just remind us your name.
My name is Moses Somondi Onyango.
Okay.
Yes.
Sema yote tatu.
Nimesema yote tatu.
So guys, if you find yourself in Athi River and you want someone to take you around, it was just by luck. You know, as we always say, sometimes you are not sure of whom we'll meet, and it was just by luck that we met the chairman. That is Mr. Moses. The number, I think you'll be seeing it on the screen. So if you find yourself visiting this area at the river, you can make a point of just calling him, he will take you around. Mostly he's best your stage inaitwaje?
Vanilla stage.
Oh, Vanilla.
Portland.
Oh.
Vanilla Scotland.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, and if you also enjoyed this video and you'd like to even do a favor by buying him some coffee, the number is there. Just do it directly. You know, that is how we always want the support. Feel free to reach him out. You can just buy him some coffee. We will always appreciate. And you are back on the main road. Oh, in Mombasa.
Shifting news. Explore, feel, shift.